Hello guys, welcome back to Gloria Store. Today I am going to show you how you can download and update the software of StarSat SR-265V4K. Here as you can see my screen, let me open the website. It is cwdw.net. The second website is swdw.net. So you can download any software from only these two authenticated websites. So if you can see the search here, search bar, I will type 265 and it will show me automatically. The both variant are same, but this is updated in 11th of May and this is updated on 7th of July. So this is the best one actually. As we can see also the dates here, like 7 July and 12 May. So this is the latest one. Let me click here to download the software. Now I'm going to copy the software, and I have already plugged one USB 3.0 device here. As you can see, this is a device of USB 3.0 and this is only 3.0. There is no 2.0 option on this USB. I have selected this USB just for the demo purpose to show you that this receiver supports USB 3.0. So let me paste the software file in this USB drive. Just wait for a while. Here you can see the file has been copied. Let me show you the description of this USB. So this is a USB 3.0. I have formatted it using exFAT, and this is the file size actually which has been used now. This is free space. This is 64 GB USB 3.0 device actually. So let me unplug this USB drive from here, and I will plug this USB back to the receiver. To configure this remote control for the first time with this device, we have to pair it with the receiver by pointing directly to the front panel of the receiver. As you can see the picture of demo in the screen, within 20 centimeter. I have to hold my OK and volume down. You can see the red light button of the remote will be blinking for a few seconds, and when it is paired, and you can see it is connected. And after that, for the first screen, it is asking which language you can use. So I can see over here almost 6 languages, including English, Arabic, Farsi, French, and 2 others. Let me select the English. So this is the first screen because this is the first receiver, first time opened, and there is no channel, no tuning, nothing else. Let me show you the menu. This is the menu before the software. Let me go through with the settings. The default password is 0000. So system settings, you can see the system settings. If I go exit, OST setup, and if I go to down, I can see all these menus, 6 menus for now. If I go exit, this is the media, and there's nothing, no media plugged right now. If I go to network in IP settings, I can see DHCP is on because this receiver is connected with the Wi-Fi. That's why it is getting IP addresses. So let me confirm also. Let me show you also that this receiver supports 2.4 and 5 gigahertz dual band connections. And here you can see, if I exit and go to update, there's no update. So the first time you have to update the receiver with the USB, and later on you can update via online. Okay, so installation password is 0000. only 3 menus. If I go to channel, it will ask you 0000, and you can see six menus over here in channel. So without further delay, let me plug the USB device behind the receiver 3.0 port. So here you can see the device has been plugged. Let me go to the media, and here it is only one file. If you can see the section of all, if I press right arrow key, it is showing PVR, movies, music, picture, and software. For example, if you have USB with a lot of other files and you are not going to find which is a software file, you can go to this software menu. So you will see only the softwares which is compatible with this receiver. So I have to press OK, and it is asking me a warning that do you want to update the software or database. I will press yes, and it is updating the software. Please wait for a while. Please remember, do not unplug the power adapter, or do not have any surge on the electric cord. So if you fail to protect the receiver, this receiver will be bricked, and you have to do the programming or flashing method to get this receiver alive again. So this screen, before this updating the software, make sure everything is perfectly fine and you will not have any other trouble. So after the software update, the receiver will be rebooted itself. Okay, here we go. The software has been updated. Let me show you the menu now. So now the menu is different. Let me go to the settings. Password is 0000. Okay, before it was showing 6 settings. Now I have almost 9 settings. Setting menu yani. Okay, and if you can go to the about STB page, here you can see the latest software variant which I have just installed on this receiver. One more thing is very important, that after the software update, you must have to do the factory reset to enjoy the full capability of this receiver. Go to factory default, press all, yes, and left arrow key for the yes, and press OK. Okay, after factory default, you will see the same menu as we have paired this receiver before. So you have to press again OK and the volume down or volume minus keys in front of the receiver. As you can see in the picture, you will see the flashing on the remote control. Keep it hold in front of the receiver. After a while, you will see connected, and it will show you the menu language. Press English. Okay, let me show you the menu again. So this is the menu. Now all the buttons of the remote will be working fine. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe our channel to watch other StarSat product videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.